Outrage in Manchester after the sentencing of a man who pleaded guilty to killing his girlfriend. Andre Bromfield was sentenced to 18 and a half years in prison. Disappointed relatives and friends of the deceased female converged outside the Manchester Circuit Court today. Anthony Lugg has the details.
An emotional Serena Russell outside the Manchester Home Circuit Court on Tuesday, moments after sentencing was handed down on the man who shot and killed her daughter on December 31, 2019. Her daughter, Chantel White, was killed in a jealous rage by her boyfriend Andre Bromfield in the lunchroom at the supermarket where they worked in Mandeville. The court heard that Bromfield used his licensed firearm to carry out the attack. On Tuesday, he was sentenced to 18 and a half years in prison.
I'm so shocked. I'm so fed up. I just was upset my youth.
Bromfield was originally charged with murder. He pleaded not guilty to murder, but pleaded guilty to manslaughter. The sentence, which was initially for 25 years, was reduced by 2.5 years because of the guilty plea, and another 2.5 years representing time already spent in custody. Another 2 years were also shaved off based on his antecedent and the social inquiry report. Alton White is Chantel's father.
I'm not pleased. I'm not pleased about this whole situation. There's no justice there. All of these people that sit down and cook up their story. You understand me?
In handing down the sentence, Parish Judge Lorna Shelley Williams said she considered the mitigating circumstances contained in the antecedent and the social inquiry report. However, she noted that the evidence against Mr. Bromfield was overwhelming. She said, although he may have been granted a 50% discount under the Criminal Justice Administrative Act for pleading guilty to the charge, and although he expressed remorse for committing the act, she felt that granting it would have been disproportionate to the seriousness of the crime, stressing it was committed in full view of other co-workers at the workplace. It's this reason why the family believes Mr. Bromfield should have received a harsher penalty.
The murder case, it's not what do you call it? Manslaughter. It's not a manslaughter case, it's a murder case. Everybody see the people.
Legal experts say normally manslaughter cases result in sentences of 3 to 15 years, so in this case, the judge went above the top end of the range. In a caution statement, Bromfield noted, "Me take up this girl and give her everything. Bill her all 2-bedroom house, pay off her credit card, and me realize that she have another man. Me see this youth a kiss her up, and me talk to her and she diss me up. Me just snap." Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.